Hi guys, my name is Godfrey with the Moorpark Fitness Specialist Program. I'm here today to talk about a movement that many of us do or have done in the past, which is the upright row. Now, for the upright row, we grab a barbell with our hands evenly gripped apart, and the movement is to raise up to chin level and then bring it back down. So just one extra so you guys can see it like this, and then bring it back down. Now, the problem with this exercise is that it causes your shoulders to internally rotate, and then as you do the lifting movement, the supraspinatus will get stuck in a position where your joints are forward and the tendon is trying to move. Now, that causes a lot of pain, and some of the symptoms you might experience would be pain when lifting your arm above shoulder height or turning your arms outward and trying to raise up. That'll cause a lot of pain. So some of your coaches might always tell you to try and get your elbows really up there so you feel it in your shoulders. Well, the problem with this is it still will cause you to internally rotate this way, and that causes just your tendon is going to try to move into the joint. And with that constantly happening, you're going to feel a lot of pain while snapping, crackling, and popping going on. And it actually causes your chest muscles to tighten up as your upper back muscles begin to weaken from always being in an internally rotated position. Some of the symptoms that you might get with this also is you won't be able to move in that range of motion anymore, and then also your rotator cuff is becoming weaker and weaker. And a way to actually strengthen this is by, one, taking some time to rest and let the muscle or let the joint recover. Two, going to a chiropractor, which can actually help tell you what the problem is and help to align you up. And three would actually finding a variation of the same movement. Now today the variation that I have for you guys is actually, you can do the same movement, you don't have to completely discard it, but you use dumbbells instead. See, now with the dumbbells you're not stuck in that locked in position, you're able to actually freely move. Now if you notice, my wrists actually go above my elbows and stay above my shoulders. So that way I move freely. Every time I do a repetition of this movement, I'm actually able to work the posterior deltoid and the anterior deltoid. And it doesn't cause me to round this way, and I'm not going too far back. And for preference, you could actually come up here right in the front, or you could even bring it out a little bit further. Okay guys, so the reason I chose this exercise is when you're moving in this range, you're able to move freely. You don't have to worry about trying to keep your elbows above, getting your elbows up and your wrists down. That way you don't have to worry about being internally rotating. You could actually get the same effect of the same movement, but moving in a more correct range of motion that actually will affect your shoulders. And that's the way you do it. So always remember to lift up and get the hands up above the elbows, and you'll be in the right correct plane. And you can do variations. You can come up front more, you can come out more, and you can really go out more. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Be sure to like us on Facebook at the Moorpark Fitness Specialist page. My name is Godfrey. Thank you for watching.